I gotta open this up and wrap it up. You mind? Can I do it by myself? Sure. You are enthusiastic. Let me try the other side. Maybe he'll leave me alone for a second. The problem is, you're so annoyingly cute. This is how you spend all day doing stuff and get exactly zero done. Oop, maybe I'll get it now. He's all confused and wrapped up. Oh, no, he still knows the direction. Going on a tarp ride. Getting there, little by little. Only 7 or 8 more poles and I'll be able to get it maybe halfway open. Is there something you like about helping? It's a satisfaction? Oh yeah, bring that in down here. My life is one big deja vu. First the children, now the dog who's a reincarnation. Always helping, so eager, enthusiastic. Metaphor for my life. Let's go. Can I leave this down here? Leave this end here. Leave it here. Let's go. Let's walk here. Oop, got it. That was short-lived. I don't even know what this is. All right. Yeah, there was the end. I just pulled all the way out, finally. Go this way. Can you leave it? Leave it there. Leave it there. Oh, we're almost getting there. Oh, this thing's magically expanding. Ooh, look at this. Up, up, I'm stopping you. Good thing you're sticking right with me. Oh, we almost got it. Look at this. All right. Who would have thought? Oh. All right, last one, and we'll leave it. Consider this a victory. My work here is done. Are you done? Yeah, looking it over.